7-Eleven Ford Mustang revealed with pizza holder and coffee stand. Shut the hell up.
That's what I was going to say.
What's this?
Shut the front door.
What revealed?
It's a limited edition, like modified 7-Eleven Ford Mustang. And I even like, oh my God.
Oh, they got
that's cool.
stripes.
They're giving it away in a contest. It has the 7-Eleven look. Look at this photo with the fog in the background and
like
the glowing 7-Eleven.
Back to the Future.
Just want to go to a 7-Eleven.
Yeah.
I think that's what they did it for, Mo.
Yeah.
To attract me.
Right.
7-Eleven has revealed a custom Ford Mustang GT design with unique features that were suggested by fans who can now enter to win it. So the fans, it was interactive. They got to say what they wanted it to look like and what they wanted to have. The Model 7-Eleven was built by Galpin Autosports of Pimp My Ride fame and wrapped in a 7-Eleven paint scheme built for speed and snacks. Need for Slurpee. How about Slurpee coming up more than once on this episode? That's a bit ridiculous, isn't it?
Slurpees are good.
We didn't know we would land here. We didn't know that the beginning of our path towards this Slurpee was the coffee Coca-Cola, which led us to the freezing our own Coca-Cola. Like, how could we have... Couldn't predict such things. I didn't know about this story. Slogans splashed across it include built for speed and snacks, need for Slurpee, and another one bites the crust.
Wait, what am I looking at? I'm confused.
This is a pizza slice holder slipping into the cup holder.
It's between, those are the two seats, the front
I feel
two
like
seats.
I'm upside down or
You
something.
You're in the driver's seat.
Oh,
Looking
I
down.
see. Okay, yeah.
And
yeah.
the cup holder has an extension which allows you to insert a pizza slice that
Just one slice.
will not fall.
Or you stack them.
There's stack them, yeah.
Stack.
That's a good one, Mo.
Oh, here's a better view to give you an idea how that looks. And you got a big cup holder there for the big gulp. Gotta get that big
Oh,
gulp
look at
in there.
the gear shift.
It's a slushy.
It's a slushy.
You're damn right it is. You're damn right that's a
That
slushy.
is sick.
You know, this reminds me of when 7-Eleven did, I think we may have covered it like a long time ago, where they did, you could like stay at the 7-Eleven for 24 hours or something and eat whatever you want.
And play video games.
Yeah,
and
and they
snack.
like, really cool.
Dream come true.
They do some fun stuff.
Legend in the chat says the top speed is 7-11 miles per hour.
Wow. Chat coming in hot today.
The car is equipped with an automatic transmission which has a shifter grip replaced by one shaped like a Slurpee that looks like it will be as cold as the frozen drink to touch in the winter. Well, that's probably true. The Mustang seats have been reupholstered with fabric inspired by the stripes featured on 7-Eleven storefronts. And I guess you can enter to win it. You've also got an air freshener. Look at that.
Yeah.
What does 7-Eleven smell like? Coffee. That's right. Misspelled, by the way, in this article. Missing one F. Thank you, Fox News. One day you might be able to get on the level of CNN Ultra.
Willie do.
That was a good find, Will, that 7-Eleven article.
Not that Will has never made a spelling error on any of the clips.
Where do you find this stuff? Are you on the dark web? I never see
I have
these.
my sources.
Yeah, you got your
Ryan.
sources. You're a true reporter.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, wow. They changed the emblem as well?
Whoa.
A night owl logo replaces the Mustang's pony because you're a night
night,
owl. You gotta go to
7-Eleven.
7-Eleven.
Wow. You
Let's
think Mustang's
go.
okay with that?
Well, yeah, I think so.
They're not like Ferrari.
You don't choose Ferrari. Ferrari
He
chooses
chooses
you.
you.
I feel like that's gonna live on this show for a little while. You don't choose Ferrari. Ferrari chooses you.
So I think the contest is on the 7-Eleven website.
That night owl is sick on the front. That is so cool. Not,
is definitely
not
cool
enough
looking.
birds in cars and emblems and car names.
You don't really think of birds.
Oh, I do.
Hey,
Firebird.
no, they had the Eagle Talon.
I know, but they're all gone. All these classics.
are
The eagle needs to make a comeback on the car.
I don't know if
Or
it
the
translates with cars.
Oh, do you know what? There's a track hawk.
Yeah, Trackhawk. That's a Jeep Grand Cherokee model.
But I don't think there's a giant hawk emblem on it. I just need giant bird emblems. I need them. No?
Was it
Okay.
the Eagle Talon? Is that a car? Eagle
Absolutely.
Talon?
Yeah.
It was,
yeah.
right?
Yeah, it was a Dodge vehicle. It was a Chrysler vehicle. It was cool.
Yeah, it was cool.
Cool at a time.
Talon.